Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and today I have yet another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping in a brand new color. Check out Inozetek Pearl Lavender. So this is not your standard purple film like maybe you've seen online. This is actually true to the lavender flower, but more importantly, it's got this pearl aspect to it. And when the sun hits it at the right angle, it completely changes. And that's one of the beauties of the Inozetek Pearlescent series of film. It constantly changes just subtly when the sun hits it. And then in the evening, things darken up and gives it a whole new appearance. Now, the fact that the Cybertruck has all these amazing design angles on every panel, that also allows itself to go ahead and have the film change colors, give you different visual appearances. Lots of fun wrapping Cybertrucks. I'm sure we can all agree. So, Pearl Lavender on the complete exterior, no more stainless steel, and this is a really unique color. It's different. It's maybe not for everybody. And I would love to hear from you guys. What do you think about this color? Do you like purple wraps in general? And then if you do, what do you think about lavender versus some of the darker and deeper purples that are out there? In addition to this, very popular, and we've done already a couple of videos, are brand new fully forged CT10 line of wheels. These happen to be the 24s, which are my favorite. It's the largest size that we offer for a Cybertruck. These are finished in gloss black, and we went with gloss black because that's a really good complement to the pearlescent film. I think satin on the wheels would have been a little too dull. Now, these 24s look absolutely great, but you don't have to go that big. They also come in 22-inch, 20-inch, and stay tuned for 18-inch. So this truck's all done. We're going to deliver today to the customer. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you love our content, if you love Cybertrucks and everything Tesla, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so much more amazing content coming your way soon.